Hi everyone, it's Kevin here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm at National on a Saturday evening, and we're just going to kind of do a quick tour of the aisles here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button, and we'll just get started here. All right, let's start things off here with a premier selection. We got BMW X3, and then we got a 2 Series BMW. And keep in mind, again, it is Saturday here evening, so this is probably the worst time to pick up. But National does have quite a few cars here. We got a Hyundai, maybe a Tucson, we got a Ford Edge, we got a Ford Escape, and we got a RAV4, and one of these Fusion hybrids that has a few miles on it. Okay, let's just take a look at some. These are all reserve here, even though it says Alamo. So we got a BMW, we got a Ford Explorer, we got a small Chevy Colorado truck, pickup truck, got a little Mercedes SUV, BMW SUV, and then we got a couple Wranglers down here. We got 2 Chrysler minivans, and we got a big, oh wow, this is a big truck, Dodge Ram. Again, I apologize, I don't know much about the trucks, but this is a Dodge Ram. Looks a little bit higher. Oh, a 2500. Heavy duty. Okay, you guys probably know more what this is. Why don't I take a look? Because this looks like something that might not be here very often. Yeah, it's got a barcode on it. Okay, 10,000 miles. It hasn't got 2 wheels. No, I guess it's just a little bit higher. This must be like more heavy duty. Oh, is this? Oh, this might be a U.S. car. Is it? It's got a New Jersey. Oh, yeah, of course, it's a U.S. car. That's why we don't see these here very often. And then just down the other side here, we got a Chrysler minivan. And we got a Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. Classic trim. Oh, this might be another. Yeah, this is another U.S. car. Okay. Actually, a couple of these might be U.S. cars. I wasn't really looking at the plates. We got a Toyota 4Runner here, and we got another big pickup truck. This one's a 1500. This is probably a Canadian car. And why don't I scoot over here? This is more reserve. This is where they got the Polestars parked over here. And this BMW might even be a hybrid. So we got, yeah, it's plug-in X3, and we got a couple Polestars here. Got about 4 of them. There's one more on the other side. So these are all the regular ones. And then on the other side, they have the Performance Edition Polestar. And I'll just quickly show you this one. Hope to have a video of one of these coming up on the channel soon as I get time to edit it. And, okay, we'll pick things up on the other side. And over in the Emerald aisle, we got a compact Ford SUV. Hyundai Elantra, one of these Kia Konas. Oh, looks like it might be fairly new. Mazda maybe CX-5, Jeep Compass. And just on the other side, we got a Toyota Camry that came in here. We got another RAV4. So there are more cars coming up here. Again, this is Saturday evening. And why don't I just run over to Enterprise and do a quick tour over there. Okay, over at Enterprise, we got one of these Dodge Charger GTs. We got a Ford Mustang Coupe. Another Dodge Charger GT. Got a Wrangler. Again, these are kind of sort of reserve cars, but we got a 5-liter Mustang convertible, very similar. That might even be the actual one I rented and did the review today. We got an Audi Q3. We got another. Well, looks like they got a bunch of these Dodge Chargers in. That's awesome. And I'm not sure if those cars are for rent. Okay, if we go over. Again, it is Saturday evening here, so there's not as many cars, but they do have cars available. And we've got a Kia SUV, got a Wrangler, we got a Ford Edge, we got another Mustang here. Convertible. Chrysler 300, one of my favorites. And I think that's a Kia or VW in the distance. No, that's definitely a VW. That might be the R edition, yeah. And we got somebody backing up a BMW here. Sorry for going around. And I think this is going to wrap it up. We got somebody taking a Tahoe over there. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.